Good morning students. I am S. Vidya, Assistant Professor in Velar College of Education. Now I am going to talk about the topic environmental issues in ozone depletion. Ozone layer. What is ozone layer? Ozone layer is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. Ozone layer is also called the ozone shield, cutting the ultraviolet radiation emitted by the sun which causes damages to the DNA of living organisms. Ozone is a colorless gas. Depletion unit. Depletion unit is the measurement for total ozone. One depletion unit is 0.00 atmospheric centimeter is the number of molecules of ozone that would be required to create a layer of pure ozone at 0 degree Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. Ozone layer depletion. What is ozone layer depletion? The ozone shield is being damaged by chemicals released in the Earth's surface, notably the chlorofluorocarbons in refrigeration, aerosols, chemicals used in industries. The decline in the thickness of the ozone layer over particular area is called ozone hole. Importance of ozone layer. Ozone depletion in the stratosphere results in more ultraviolet radiations, especially UVB radiations. UVB radiation destroys biomolecules, damages living tissues and may cause skin cancer. UVC is the most damaging type of UV radiation, but it is completely filtered by the atmosphere. Hence, uniform ozone layer is critical for the well-being of life on Earth. How ozone layer is depleted? The causes of ozone depletion is the increases in the level of free radicals such as hydroxyl radicals, nitric oxide radicals and atomic chlorine and bromine. The most important compound which accounts for almost 80% of the total depletion of ozone in the stratosphere are chlorofluorocarbons, that means CFC. These components are very stable in lower atmosphere on the Earth, but in the stratosphere they break down to release a free chlorine atom due to ultraviolet radiation. A free chlorine atom reacts with the ozone molecules and forms chlorine monoxide and a molecules of oxygen. Now chlorine monoxide reacts with an ozone molecules to form a chlorine atom and two molecules of oxygen. The free chlorine molecules again react with ozone to form chlorine monoxide. The process continues and the result is reduction of depletion of ozone in the stratosphere. International measures. Montreal Protocol signed in 1987 compels of 189 countries to reduce CFC substances. National level measurements. Singapore banned use of CFC products in 1991. Countries can control the import and manufacture of CFC product. Effects of ozone depletion increases the incidence of cardiac, thyroid and lung irritation and aggravation of asthma for emphysema, skin cancer and diminishing the functioning of immune system of human beings. Juvenile mortality of animals, increased incidence of mutations in plants, photosynthetic chemicals will be affected, therefore photosynthesis will be inhibited. Decreased photosynthesis result in increased carbon dioxide causing global warming and food crisis. Increases in temperature changes the climate and rainfall pattern which may result in flood, drought, seawater rise, imbalance in ecosystem affecting flora and fauna. Effect of animals. In domestic animals, UV overexposure may cause eye and skin cancers. Species of marine animals in their developmental stage, for example, young fish, shrimp, larvae and crab larvae have been threatened in recent years by the increase of UV radiation. Effect on materials. Wood, plastic, rubber, fabric and make construction materials are degraded by UV radiation. The economic importance of replacing and or protecting materials could be signed. Harm to human health. More skin cancer, sunburns and premature aging of the skin. More cataracts, blindness and other eye diseases. Advice impact on agriculture. Plant growth, especially in seedlings, is harmed by more intense UV radiation. Major crop species are particularly vulnerable to increased UV, resulting in reduced growth, photosynthesis and flowering. Effect on plants. Physiological and developmental process of plants are affected by UVB radiation. even by the amount of UVB in present day and sunlight. Reduction of microscopic marine life like phytoplankton, which will be impact the food chain. Skin alignments, disturbed plant life cycle, destruction on marine life. Thank you.